Good day everyone. Today I will discussing the measure of variability, ensuring the sample showing the table. Measure of variability. Given two group of students of the same text with score. Group A, 5 students with score 6, 15, 15, 9, and 20. In the group B, 5 students score in 12, 14, 15, 15, and 19. We have the three. First is range, variance, and standard deviation. Formula.
We have range, highest voltage minus lowest voltage, and variance. We have range, highest value minus lowest value, and variance, sum of x minus sample mean squared over n minus 1. N stands for number of students. Standard deviation is square root of variance. Set A. We have 5 students, score 6, 15, 15, 19, 20. Ang total is divide sa 5 equal to 15. So 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. And x minus is 6 minus 15 is equal 6 minus 15 equal negative 9. 15 minus 15 equals 0. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Tapos, 19 minus 15 equal 4. Tapos, 20 minus 15 equal 5. So, tayo sum of x minus sample mean squared. So, negative 9 times negative 9 equal 81. So, 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 5 was 25. And total is 1, 2, 2.
And for the range, highest value and lowest value. For the highest value, we have 20 minus 6 equals 14. This is a range equals 14. And the variance, sum of x minus sample mean squared. This dito banda yung kwan niya is 100, dito yung total niya. And the n stands for numbers of students. 5 minus 1. And sabi mo lang yung 122. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. At tapos, divide mo lang 200 divide 4 equals 30.5. For the standard deviation, para makuha nato ang is the answer. Square root natin siya sa 30.5. Ang answer kay 5.52. For standard deviation.
Good day everyone. In this activity, I used set B with the values of 12, 14, 15, 15, and 19. First, we have
For the formula, range, highest value minus lowest value. Variance is sum of x minus sample mean squared over n minus 1 stands for number of students. Here are the table of set B. The value of x we have 12, 14, 15, 15, 19. So para makuha natin yung sumin, kailangan natin totalin to lahat. Sige dyan, 12 plus 14 plus 15, 15 plus 19. Total is 75. Tapos divide natin to sa number of students. Divide natin sa 5. Divided by 5 equals 15. So, yan na yung ano, summing natin. Sige, lagay mo. And sa x minus min, kailangan natin i-minus yung 12 minus 15 equals, lagay mo, 12 minus 15 equal negative 3. Ganon din sa pangalawa. Ano lang lahat, i-minus lang. 14 minus 15 equals negative 1. Negative 1. Tapos 15 minus 15, 0 na. 0, 0. Tapos 19 minus 15 is 4. So, dito naman tayo sa sum of x minus sample mean squared. So, i-times lang natin sila. So, 3, negative 3 times negative 3 equal 9. 9? Sa negative 1 times negative 1, 1. Dito naman, sa ano, 0 times 0, 0 na lang yan. Tapos, tsaka sa 4 times 4 equals 16. So, tatayin natin to sila lahat. So, dito muna tayo sa x minus min. Ilagay mo 0. Dito naman tayo sa sum of x minus sample mean squared. Tali natin to is, ito ay 26. So yan ang total.
And for the variance, the total is 26 over 5 negative 1. Next is 26 over 4 equal 6.5. To find the standard deviation, I use the formula standard deviation. We have variance next is 6.5. Next is 2.55. The total is 2.55. This means the values in the data set usually differ from the mean by about 2.55 units.
And the interpretation, we have range, variance, and standard deviation. There are two sets, A and B. In the set B, we have 7 in the range and 6.5 in the variance and 2.55 in the standard deviation. In the set A, we have 14 in the range, 30.5 in the variance, and 5.22 in the standard deviation. And then, therefore, the set of the scores of set A is more spread or deviated than set B. That's all. Thank you.